This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Wait, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, so let's unbox it. A happy hour edition, because I just finished work and it was a long, grueling day. I also filmed Makeup Bingo this morning and I need to edit that. But before I jump into the editing process, bitch, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. In my case, it's actually 7:30. So this is like a nice happy hour. So let's have a cocktail and let's open these motherfucking blind boxes that I'm so excited about. Okay, so here's the deal. I wasn't gonna get this. I was only going to get like one of them. That's how it started. That's how it started. Oh God, look at them. Look how precious. I needed them all. So when I went to a reseller to get my first Labubu, I saw that they had the Mickey and Friends in stock because it's sold out everywhere. And so the first one I pulled was actually Mickey. I only purchased one of them, and of course the one that I got was Mickey, and I was like, no. I just wanted Chip or Dale, preferably both of them, but I would have been happy with Chip or Dale. So thankfully the store that I went to, since I opened it in the store, I was able to actually swap with the one that they had in their case, and at the time they had a Chip. So this is where Chip is from, and I love him so much. I love him so much. However, I am a Dale girl, okay? Look at me. We have the same teethies, okay? So I wanted Dale. I scoured eBay to find Dale, and I paid a premium, but I found him, and he's real, and I love that. And I was just content having these two little boys in my life, and I didn't need anything else. Then I went to Epcot, and it was so hot that day that he burned a little thing on his face. So if you get real close, I'm pretty sure, I don't know if you're gonna see that, but there's like a little mark right there. If I angle it, there's paint missing because the sun was so bright. It started melting his face. And I was like, oh, I can't have a disfigured boy. So I was like, I'm not going through eBay, going through that whole bullshit of spending way too much. I might as well try to see if I can get the full set. I gotta say, StockX comes through, bitch. I am not sponsored by them, but I would love to be. StockX is amazing, and I was able to get the complete set for about $180. The whole set, I believe, if you were to purchase them through Pop Mart, it's about $223 before tax and all that good shit. So I feel like I did real good. Anyway, so in today's video, I'm gonna drink my lemon high noon vodka iced tea, and we're gonna unbox this beautiful box. Now there are 8 of these little guys in here, and there is a good chance that one of them could be a secret, which is actually pretty sweet. So without further ado, I'm gonna open this up, and we're gonna start with box number 1. Now here are all the different variations, okay? Not gonna lie though, I think I will be fucking sad. I would be sad if I got the secret and I didn't get a new Dale. I would be kind of sad. I feel like I may have jinxed myself, but I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, here's everybody. I would be happy with everybody except Mickey. I don't know why Mickey just looks like a rat. I mean, he is a rat, but I mean, like, I don't know, he's cute. He's not bad. But like this is the secret. I feel it. Hold on, wait. This feels heavy. This feels kind of light. Watch this not be the secret. All right, I think this is gonna be the secret. Anyway, Mickey's cute. He's cute, but like he's not as cute as like Chip or Dale. I mean, look at those teeth. Like mother, like son. Okay. Anyway, here we go. Let's open it up. Oh, so satisfying. Secret, but look at this dumb bitch. Oh my God. Oh, she is cute. Look at her. Look at her big feet. Oh God, your feet spin, lady. Should your feet be spinning as much? Let's verify this is real. But I mean, if you are a lafufu though, I ain't mad at it. Like cute. You're cute. No, you're not. You just had a rough time shipping. That's it. You're all right. Your feet, you're fine. You're fine, girl. She is so cute. Look at her. She's adorable. I hope I get Donald Duck. Oh my God, I love Donald Duck. And this Donald Duck is cute as shit. All right, let's just verify. I feel like it's fine, but let's verify now that her foot fucking was backwards, like a possessed doll. Hold on. Bitch, do you know how hard it was to go find a quarter in my house? Jeez. Louise, okay? Yay, it's real. It's real. She just looked a little up, but it's okay, girl. You just drunk. It's fine. We've all been there, all right? I'll put you back in the box for right now. Don't look at me like that. All right, anyway. Yay, Daisy. Obviously, I'm wrong. This is the secret. This is the secret, okay? That's the secret, and I know we're getting it. We're pulling it. We are getting it. Trust and believe. No, you bitch! It's Mickey. And again, his feet are f***ed up too. Okay, I'm okay. He's cute. He's cute in like a doofy kind of way. Like he just looks like doofy. All right, he's growing on me. Look at those big red pants and his feet, they go backwards. Oh yeah, I guess your feet do go backwards too. Interesting. Okay. Anyway, so here we have Mickey. He's so much lighter and he kind of is like a pancake. Like this is like Ozempic Mickey. He's thin. Like my boys, they take after me. They take after their mother. They're plump. You are thin, boy. I don't even remember you being this thin. You're cute though. You're cute. You're much cuter than the first one that I got. The first one I got, I just remember being like, I don't want this. Get it away from me. But it's okay though. So we got Mickey. Put him in the box. This is not the secret. But what I think this is I think this is going to be Goofy. I want Goofy so badly. Goofy is super cute. And I feel like, I'm going to cheers to the box. It's going to be Goofy. And if it's not Goofy, then obviously I will start crying. I will start crying. Ah, it's a little chip. Oh, look at this little buddy. Oh, hi, bud. All right, I want to see the difference. Yeah. Oh, the new chip, he's a little flat. Oh, boy's flat. But he's cute though. He's so cute. But he looks like he's just been eating. Which I mean, relatable. But like, here's my chip. The quality on some of these guys are really, really kind of funny. Huh. Yeah, like he looks like he has like a little bussy right here. Try not to make people see that. Okay. But no, he's cute though. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait, you had this on your face too. Wait, what happened to you? Oh my God, these are so sensitive. I know I have taken him out to the parks a few times, but I guess I never noticed the little spot on his cheek. But look at that. He has the same thing like his brother. Oh my God, what the fuck? Hold on. When in doubt, just lick it. See? No, it's like the paint's peeling on him. That's wild. See that? It looks like he has a fucking pimple. Okay, but he doesn't though. Okay. 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 Weird. 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 This is real though. Like they're all real. Hold on. I'm gonna verify this motherfucker's real. Yeah. Okay. Something going on in the Pop Mart warehouse. What the? Okay. 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 Not gonna lie though. I do like the flat versions. They're kind of fun. Okay. So I'm thinking this is gonna be Dale. I feel like this is gonna be Dale. I feel it in my bones. Let's see if I'm right. Bitch! Okay, that is my boy. Look at him. Let me tell you, a mother knows. A mother knows, okay? Oh my God. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do in the future is just, because these guys are already like slightly melted, I think I'm just gonna use Chip and Dale to go to the park, because if they do kind of get knocked around, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. But yeah, see, oh my God, he's so cute. Oh, you are so cute. This one looks like he has kind of a growth on his belly because he's kind of like puffy in some areas. So I'm just gonna have to like kind of massage that back in there. I don't know if it's like lymphatic nodes or something. Like just gotta massage you back, buddy. But you're cute though. You're cute, and that's all that matters. Okay, you're just a little unkempt, but we're gonna fix you right up. All right. But okay, happy, joy. We got motherfucking Dale. So now I can rest easy, because I would have been very upset if I didn't have that. But let's see if we're gonna get the secret though. This doesn't feel like the secret. This one feels like Donald. I'm gonna say this is gonna be Donald all the way. No, it's that bitch Minnie. Look at her. Oh, bitch, you are so unkempt. Are you okay? You okay, hon? Okay. Oh, look at her. Look at this classy lady. Your feet weren't, but your dress is up. Girl, put it down. Put it down. It's not that kind of channel, all right? Look at her. She's cute. I think she's cuter than Mickey, for sure. You're definitely cuter. You're definitely cuter. And that's all I gotta say about that. Not my favorite, but you're cuter, though. Not gonna lie. Well, I do really want the secret. I will be very gutted if I don't get Donald, Goofy, or Pluto, because those are like my next 3 in line. So I think this is gonna be Donald. This feels like Donald. Oh no, it's Pluto. Okay. Oh, okay. Pop Mart. What is this? What the f is this? What is this? What is this shit? Oh, buddy. Buddy. Okay, he's cute though. He looked a little up. I'm not gonna lie, he looked a little up, but you're okay though. You're fine. You're fine. I feel like the ones that I got were a little rough. Like these fell off the back of the truck. They're real, which is kind of like hilarious. But they look a little rough, right? Like what the hell, bro? They're cute, but like I'm a little concerned though. I'm concerned for the quality control here. I have 2 more boxes. I think, ooh, I feel like this is gonna be the secret. I don't know why. I feel like it's very plushy, so I think it's gonna be the secret. Yay! Oh, what? Are you okay, sir? They're just so, yeah. Oh, they're just so rough. They're so, oh, are you? Pop Mart. What the fuck, bro? I feel like the quality is kind of funky on some of these. Or maybe I should have just stopped with Chip and Dale. You know what they always say? Never meet your heroes. I mean, he's cute. He's definitely cute, but like when I first saw him, when he first came up, I was like, you all right? Are you okay? Okay, we have 1 more box left. This feels like a Goofy. This feels like a Goofy. And if this is not Goofy, I will actually be sad because I really want Goofy. Pop Mart lords, okay, please make my Goofy look normal, not funky or chunky. Just give me normal. I'll take normal, please. For a second, I thought he had no hat and I was about to scream. Boy, he has so many little fuzzies on him. Okay, y'all. Okay, I mean, he looks high as though. He's cute. You are definitely cute. He is a little unkempt. That he is. He exceeds my expectations. And I kind of love him. I love him. I think the best looking ones are pretty much Chip, Dale, and Goofy here. I had high expectations for the Donald Duck, but I mean, I guess he's not so bad, but like, I think there's a lot of quality dips with this box, with this collection. So that's kind of unfortunate, but that's what happens when you get into gambling, kids, okay? All right, so let's recap here. I don't feel satisfied. I feel not satisfied. I was trying to think of another word, but I couldn't think of it though. I don't feel satisfied. And that makes me I am not a happy camper. I feel like something's fucked up. The call's coming from inside the house. Quality on these are a little weird. Now, I've heard quality complaints on Labubu's, right? But I have not heard quality complaints about these little I gotta look into this. But anyway, now I wanna hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have this set. And if you do, are you experiencing the same bullshit that I am? Inquiring minds need to know. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces, and I'll see you little trash bags real soon. Bye.